If your CPU is reaching 90 degrees or more, don't assume you need to replace thermal paste or buy a new cooler. In a lot of cases, Windows or a program running in the background is making your processor work harder than it needs to. In this video, I'll show you 6 things to check that can help lower CPU temperatures. Some are Windows settings and some are common mistakes that a lot of people don't even realize they are making.
Before changing anything, find out what's actually making your CPU work. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Click on the CPU column to sort everything by usage. If one program is sitting at the top using a lot of your processor while you're not even using it, you've probably found the problem. Sometimes it's a browser with dozens of tabs. Other times it's software running in the background that you forgot was even installed. Don't guess. Check this first. If your PC is set to best performance all the time, Windows keeps your processor ready to boost more often, which can mean higher temperatures even during lighter tasks. Open Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, choose Balanced. If you can't find it here, then go to Search Bar Type, choose Power Plan, and hit Enter. Then you will see Balanced or Recommended, which is what you need. Your processor will still boost when you need it, but it won't stay under unnecessary load while you're browsing, watching videos, or working. This next setting is especially useful if your temperatures are climbing into the 90s. Open Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings, then Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management. Set maximum processor state to 90%. On many systems, this prevents the CPU from using turbo boost. That usually means slightly lower peak performance, but it can also reduce temperatures quite a bit. If you need every bit of performance for rendering or competitive gaming, you can always change it back. This one sounds simple, but it causes a lot of overheating problems. If you're using a laptop on a bed, pillow, or blanket, you're probably blocking the air vents underneath. That traps heat inside the laptop and makes the fans work much harder. Always use your laptop on a hard, flat surface so it can pull in fresh air properly. If your PC hasn't been cleaned in a long time, dust could be the real reason your temperatures are high. Dust builds up on fans, heat sinks, and air filters. That reduces airflow and makes it much harder for heat to leave your system. You don't need to clean your PC every month, but if it's been a year or more, it's definitely worth checking. Finally, listen to your computer. If your fans are constantly running at full speed while you're only browsing the internet or watching YouTube, something isn't right. Either your processor is under unnecessary load, your cooling system needs attention, or your airflow isn't good enough. Checking your temperatures every once in a while with a program only takes a few minutes and can help you catch problems before they become more serious. Those are 6 things I'd check before spending money on a new cooler or replacing thermal paste. Some of them only take a minute, and together they can make a real difference depending on what's causing the heat. If this video helped, subscribe for more Windows and PC optimization guides. And if your PC still feels slow after fixing the temperatures, check out the video on your screen where I show more ways to improve Windows performance.